How to set up reminder for vehicle maintenance in Shell app. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to setting up reminders for vehicle maintenance in the Shell app. So the reminder helps you to stay on top of the essential task and ensure your vehicle is in a good condition. For that case, you have to first of all install or download the Shell app, or you can also use a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. And make sure that you have already created or logged into your Shell account. So when you're logged into your shell.com, you'll be taken to the home page. Now here, once you're logged in, navigate to the vehicle maintenance section of the app. This might be labeled as vehicle care, maintenance, or something similar. Look for an option related to setting up reminders. Now follow the prompt to enter the information about the vehicle, such as the make, model, and mileage. This information helps a reminder based on your vehicle's specific needs. After entering the vehicle information, you have the option to set reminder preferences, specify the type of maintenance task you want to receive or remind for, such as oil change, tire rotation, brake inspections, etc. And you can choose the frequency of the reminder as well. So you can go ahead and enable notification, request, review, and confirm your reminder. So that's basically how you can set a reminder for vehicle maintenance. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.